Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Bay Heights by Hiranandani located in Reclamation, Bandra West. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project. Right behind me you can see the actual land parcel. Also you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.4 acres that has a standalone tower of 6 basement ground plus 30 residential floors having 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK sea-facing residences. Also, Jodi options are available. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Siddharth Reclamation, Bandra West, from where Geo Drive is only at a distance of 6 minutes, Bandra Railway Station is only at a distance of 2 minutes, Leelavati Hospital is only at a distance of 400 meters, you have Bandra Worli Sea Link at a distance of 3 kilometers and Western Express Highway is at a distance of 4 kilometers from the project. Talking about the amenities, this project has 25 plus amenities with swimming pool, gym, banquet hall, mini theatre, kids play area, jogging track and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the configurations and carpet area, as said, this project has 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK residences with 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1400 to 1730 square feet, 4 BHK in the carpet area of 1800 to 2900 square feet and 5 BHK in the carpet area 4100 to 4200 square feet. Also, these are sea-facing apartments and Jodi options are available. And now talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project is now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 21 lakhs. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Bay Heights by Hiranandani located in Reclamation, Bandra West.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.